Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, this product installation has been corrupted on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing, it means that you tried installing the product and it has been corrupted. This is a very common issue when you try downloading and installing software products from third-party websites or even the manufacturer's website. Now I'll show you the best option if possible. For example, I have a software called ShareX. So I will download it from the Microsoft Store over any other website. Okay, so I will search for ShareX in the Microsoft Store and I will download and install it from the Microsoft Store. And if I had it on my system, then I would have to uninstall and then reinstall it from the Microsoft Store if it is available. Now, if it is not available, for example, let's say I had to download Chrome and Chrome was not available. So I will make sure that I install it from the manufacturer's website, the main website, the correct website, and not any third party website. I'll install it from here. If this doesn't help either, then obviously we will have to perform an SFC scan on the system. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. If this doesn't help either, then maybe you're downloading it from the manufacturer's website, but the original file is corrupted. So you'll have to contact the manufacturer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.